In this lesson, I'm going to put in the moving meditation.
Be sure to tap the subscribe button, and you can tap the notifications bell if you want to be notified for future lessons.
Now, moving meditation contributes to your awareness in several different ways. First, from the micro perspective, or your self point of view, you're recognizing where your joint and muscles are in relation to your posture and your facing direction on each count. For instance, step out to the right, keeping your toes pointed forward. Toes come off the floor, rotate your hip. Back heel comes off the floor as you push through the ball of your foot and bring your back foot to your front. I am stepping to the right on count 9. My toes remain forward. My right ankle flexes on count 10. You can see I've marked it with yellow tape. My weight will shift to my left. Weight shifts to the left, my right hip rotates open. Now I've moved the tape. Pay attention to what your left leg does. As the front leg, or the moving leg, is rotating out, your back leg is rotating closed, your heel comes off the ground, and you're on the ball of your back foot. You can see the line of that tape that I put on my leg. Hopefully you can follow that line. Your hip is rotating out, the front hip, the leading hip. The back hip is closing and rotating in. Your knee goes down. To feel one hip opening and the other hip closing is a very important moment for your kinesthetic awareness development. So let's do this one more time. Just watch it and be sure that back hip rotates down. Not only is it important for your joint alignment, but for your kinesthetic awareness, knowing how that feels. Arms begin to rotate like the face of a clock. When your lower arm reaches 6 o'clock, the elbow bends at the waist, palm up. The upper arm continues to cross the body, palm down. Left arm extends, palm up. Right elbow bends at the waist, palm rotates up. Extend bent arm as back foot steps forward. But in my opinion, the best way moving meditation increases your awareness is by incorporating your body, your mind, and your soul into one organic whole. 8 12-count sequences to the right and left is one whole round. I've slowed the speed of the recording down so that you can focus on the details, the transitions, the joint placement, even where your gaze lands. Now, mentally rehearse or practice the moving meditation. This mental practice can take place, anytime. Use it to create a picture in your mind of an entire round or a 12-count sequence on the right or left, or specific counts that need reinforcement. Now, at this point, I start the moving meditation with an intentional focus. I begin the moving meditation with this prayer. I continue focusing on this request as I move through 2 or more rounds. Then I complete the warm-up by holding that last position and offering these words of gratitude. You can use music or not. You can use a mantra or not. I've used piano, I've used vocals, I've used Gregorian chants, and I've used silence. So let this work for you however you need to. So I'll be facilitating a breakout session at the Traeger Optimal Aging Conference in Louisville, Kentucky, April the 16th and 17th. You can go to their website for more information. I'll also be facilitating a session at the Mid-Atlantic Intergenerational Conference, June 3rd through the 5th in Atlantic City, New Jersey, hosted by the Stockton Center on Successful Aging in partnership with Penn State University. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.